If your project involves demolition, then this is a tool you'll want to know about. Called the Self Prying Pro-Bar from Zenith Tools, it's designed specifically for demolishing and wrecking fast. At the same time, it's the ideal tool for precision salvage when you want to keep, reuse, or resell building materials. What makes the Pro-Bar unique is this integrated closed wedge that produces a very forceful self-prying action. Used in combination with a hammer, it makes quick work of large ceramic tile removal. As the Pro-Bar is driven underneath the tile, the center wedge applies triple the force of prying alone, quickly and easily breaking the bond between the mortar and substrate. This same mechanical advantage comes into play when removing hardwood flooring, like this 3/4 inch solid oak. Not only does the job go quickly, but usually the flooring comes up intact, often with the fasteners still embedded. When removing underlayment like this oriented strand board, the tool lifts the material, causing the fasteners to protrude. The nails can then be quickly and easily removed with the nail puller integrated into the tool's face. In fact, much of the time the nails themselves come out unbent. The Pro-Bar is also ideally suited for taking up subflooring without a struggle. Here too, the integrated wedge does most of the work. Old outdoor decking comes up without difficulty by driving the face of the tool into the joint between boards and prying the plank upward. In some demolition projects, it's important to salvage materials for reuse or sale. The Self-Prying Pro-Bar is designed with that in mind. Easily carried in a standard toolbox, the Pro-Bar is as versatile as it is effective. When used to remove interior trim, such as this wide baseboard, the center wedge separates the trim work from the wall without damaging either. The same is true for chair rail and door and window casings. The wide face makes the tool ideal for remodeling or renovation work where it may be desirable to salvage and reuse the millwork. When it comes to framing demolition, the Self-Prying Pro-Bar does the work of several tools. Notice here how the center wedge begins separating these framing members, while the sideways twisting action of the face quickly finishes the job. The Pro-Bar rapidly removes wood, vinyl, and metal siding. The tool can be driven up from the bottom or down from the top. Either way, the combination of the integrated wedge and sideways leveraging action quickly removes the material. When it comes to busting pallets, speed and leverage really matter. This tool delivers both, making this job go quickly and much more easily. The Pro-Bar makes an effortless wallboard lift, a testament to the tool's versatility. In fact, whether it's removing stubborn carpet tack strips, lifting stone slabs, or anything in between, it would be hard to find a more versatile tool. Sometimes actions really do speak louder than words.